Here's these little ones. Angel and Molly and Annie. Oh, yes, I know. I'm so happy. I'm so happy this morning. I know. I know. Oh, yes, what? What? Wrestle in the crate. Hi, Molly. Hey, Molly. Oh, yes, hi. Hi, Annie. Yeah, that was pretty funny, wasn't it? Right through that tunnel. Yeah. You guys would just chase me all day long, wouldn't you? Yeah. Hmm? What was that? What was it? What was it? Hmm? What? Oh, yes, hi. If you guys will hold still for 2 seconds. Uh-huh. Yeah, if they would hold still for 2 seconds, yeah. Annie. Hey, Annie. Yes, hi. Okay, that's it for now. Yeah, that's it for now. Oh, I know. We could stay and play all day. Okay.